I recently realized something that it's very easy for people to play around with your energy, whether they want it or they don't want it. Because I remember I am that person who would do a lot of things just to confirm with the entire background or people around me. Okay, for example, just an example, if there's a group of people and someone says something and everybody laughs on it, even though I didn't find it funny, I would laugh on it because everyone is laughing. Yet that allows you to fit in. But if that kind this was just a random example, but if there are places where you're giving your energy about something and that is not being respected, okay, and by respect I mean it's not being responded in the manner that it should be, rather someone is using it for their advantage, or someone is just making use of your actions against yourself, then you should withdraw that energy. And that is your biggest weapon. No one ever will allow anyone to not respond. Even when you say certain things to someone, in your mind you're like, "Yeah, I don't want her to speak a single word about it," but you are expecting an answer. You are expecting a comeback from them. The moment you stop giving the comeback to anyone who's playing around with your energy is the moment they lose control over you. And when people lose control over you, they do not know what are you going to do next. They do not know if she's going to actually talk, and they will also provoke, they will also rage bait your silence. They will rage bait your withdrawal of energy. Just an example, okay, if someone is expecting you to react this big, you don't react at all, but you react in a way that you want. So if this is said to you and you don't even feel like giving it a thumbs up, you just say okay and move on. Nothing, it's not diplomatic, it's not silence, it's not shouting. You simply said a simple word and you moved on. And as much as this sounds like, oh, I know this, what is she talking about, this is nothing new, just imagine and think about the times you have actually used this. We all know it. I have known it for years, but it's been only recently, I've what, not even a week, that I'm starting to apply it, and honestly it's saving me so much time. What are you going to tell me now about my okay? Oh, you were rude about it? I wasn't rude about it. You presumed it to be rude. That's your issue. That's your thing to think about. I'm not going to say anything. And also, you don't need to over explain yourself, because the moment you start over explaining, your emotions, which you didn't want it to be out, will come out and they will use that against you again. So, when I say withdrawal of energy, I don't mean complete silence. What I mean is saying something that is so minimal that one could possibly not reply to it. One could reply to shoutings, one could reply to silence. What are you going to reply to? Okay. In fact, this will allow them to say what they want. And you will know then what are their actual thoughts. When you say some things, they are just going to use it against you. If that is what they're doing, if they are playing around with the energy. This is not something that everyone does. I'm saying you for the people who use your energy, who play around with it and then they use it against you. And this is from my personal experience. I never ever wanted to uh, I never thought I would actually speak about such a thing, but recently I realized how important it is to save your energy, because not everyone deserves your energy. As you grow, you realize there are so many things around, and you possibly can handle all of that thing, but at the end of the day you were like, why did I waste my energy in such a place? That will be your question. You could have just relaxed, maybe not use it anywhere, but that would be so much better than wasting it on someone who's playing around with it and using it against you. Imagine that. And I'll be very honest, if I was told this few years back, I wouldn't accept this. I was like, they need to get an answer. So I also believe that this understanding comes with time. But if you're anyone who is younger than 21, or anyone who has not realized it till now, this is my advice to you. Withdraw your energy from the people who don't deserve it. And you don't have to make loud announcements about it. You don't have to share it with everyone that, oh, I don't like her, so I'm just not going to react. You don't have to say anything to anyone, even to your closest people, if you don't want to. You get the right to decide what you want, how to react. And if there's anything that is coming from the other side That's their thing to deal with. That's not your responsibility. Your responsibility is to understand what they want to say and react to it only in a way that you want. I think I'll end this video here.